Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel again. In today's video I'm gonna show you this plug. It's from a brand known as E-Links and it is 13A 3-way universal multiple adapter. So it is not known as plug, it's an adapter. So if you have whatever size shape of wire, you can attach to it, and over here it's written made in China. So this product is made in China. Let's open it. It costed me $500. That means $half. It's very tight. How to open it, man? Oh, over here. It's quite simple. No need for scissors. This is how it looks like. And when you plug it and switch on, this red light will be on so that you could, just use it. So friends, if you like this video, do not forget to subscribe and press the bell icon for more my videos. Thank you.